My name is Sarah McLeod. I'm the West Nile Virus student technician at Brant County Health Unit this summer, and today we are doing some mosquito trapping for adult mosquitoes and then catch basin dipping for mosquito larvae. We do active surveillance for mosquitoes just to keep an eye on mosquito population and to test if any mosquitoes test positive for West Nile virus. It's important because we want to be able to communicate effectively with the community if a positive pool comes up, just so that they can act with preventative measures. So here we have an adult mosquito trap. We set these up across 12 locations within Brantford and Brant County. Within this red cooler, we do fill it with dry ice, and the dry ice emits carbon dioxide through the bottom. And then we attach what we call a hat here, and it contains a UV light and a little fan. So when the carbon dioxide is emitted, it attracts mosquitoes, and then the UV light attracts mosquitoes towards the fan. And the fan will then blow the mosquitoes into this collection cup that we have here. And we leave these traps for 24 hours, and then the next day we'll collect the collection cups and send them away to a company that analyzes for West Nile virus within the mosquitoes. And here I just have a battery that I connect to the hat as it powers the UV light and the fan. So now we're going to move on to dipping. So dipping is the process where we sample stagnant waters for mosquito larvae. And if we find some, we will take them back to the Brant County Health Unit to try and identify the species to see if they'd be carriers for West Nile virus. So this process entails me sliding a net into a catch basin. And then as soon as I hit the top of the water here, I will slide my net across to try and collect any mosquito larvae. And then the net goes into this bucket here, and I'll flip it inside out. Right, so we're just pouring water into the net here. And then we would look for any mosquito larvae that would be in the water. And now I'm just placing them into the sample cups so that I can take it back to the Brant County Health Unit and identify the mosquito larvae species to see if they would be a carrier for West Nile. So we can do that by wearing long pants and long sleeve shirts when in mosquito-rich environments. We can also wear insect repellent that contains DEET, and then removing any sources of stagnant water, because stagnant water is where mosquito larvae like to breed. So removing the stagnant water removes breeding grounds for mosquitoes.